Okay, comes time to put the trolley in. Got this slacked off as far as it'll go. I put a screwdriver. Could use a bar or whatever, but I had a screwdriver. And I put that through the bolt holes to open up the track. And I'm going to see what happens. I hear you, and you should have the sled on its side to make things a lot easier. Gravity helps. But sitting on the trailer here makes it a little difficult to work that way, so we're going to give it a shot this way and see how it works out. Anyway, I'll show you a little more after we get done. Here we go. There we go. Sitting pretty. Now I just got to drop the sled down on top of it. Tighten up the bolts. Maybe I'll put a jack under there so it'll jack it up. One step at a time. That wasn't too bad. And there she is, all back together again. Mind you, it was a bit of a job getting the bolts hooked up. Other than that, pretty good.